The catamaran party boat in Punta Cana was such a fun experience. From the start, the crew were so welcoming and lively, they were ready to make the next 3.5 hours a total joy for all the guests on board.
Hola, mi nombre es Sandro, estamos aquí en Coastline Catamaran, directamente desde Punta Cana.
There were drinks in everybody's hands from the moment we boarded the catamaran, and the music started right away.
Y un bar con mucha variedad de trago.
From there, the booze cruise was off, and we were headed to our first stop to do some snorkeling. The water was so refreshing and clear, and there was a stingray that swam right past us. I couldn't believe it. Back on the catamaran, with the drinks flowing and the amazing Dominican music playing, that's when the dancing started. So with party mode in full effect, we headed to our next destination.
Estamos esperando por todos ustedes aquí para darle el mejor servicio. Ya ustedes saben, tenemos un fantástico snorkeling, tenemos la mejor piscina natural.
The natural pool, where you can stand in the water waist high and enjoy the company of the other party boats in the area. The Coastline Catamaran crew will bring the bar to you with a floating bar service. Take in the beautiful surroundings of this fantastic spot before jumping back on the catamaran. Heading back to the coast for drop-off, the party continues as we cruise off into the literal sunset. It's hard to express just how much I loved this tour, from the amazing staff, incredible views, to the fantastic party vibes that you could only find in Punta Cana.
Vengan con su familia, sus amigos y vamos a pasar un tiempo maravilloso. Directamente desde Punta Cana, ya ustedes saben.